Oh, hi. So what we're doing today, it's a mid-February morning and we're in the lean-to, and things are starting to actively grow now. The days are getting longer, the temperatures are rising ever so slightly, so we need to keep an eye on watering. Over the winter months, we've kept everything on the dry side because everything's still and we don't want the plants to rot. But now, as I've done my morning walk through, I've noticed that a few things are suffering. For example, this Decora ferruginea. Hopefully it's not gone past the permanent wilting point. I've given it a really good soak and I'll come back in a couple of hours to see how it's been. If it hasn't perked up, we'll probably have to take them offline, and we'll have to take them offline anyway until they perk up, and we'll have to cut them back and then let them re-sprout. We have to be really careful with the big leaved plants like this, because obviously we've got all of this surface area underneath where they're losing water, and when the plants are starting to actively grow and photosynthesize, it's really easy for them to dry out. So it's that kind of transition time now where you're moving from a winter watering schedule to a spring watering schedule. So, and we water with a lance in the lean-to, and we just hover over the plants for a couple of seconds just to ensure that the water does filtrate all the way down to the bottom of the pot. And there we are. So those Tiberginas, Erviolana variegated, are looking absolutely perfect at the moment. I've just given them a little sprinkle, and they're absolutely happy as Larry here at the moment. We have the Lampranthus in here. These obviously need to be kept on the dry side, so when we do water, it is literally just a light dusting of water over the top, because they are quite tricky to keep in a pot and it's quite tricky to keep over winter. So that's why they're looking a little bit yellow. But once they're planted on a baking hot Cornish wall in full sun, free draining soil, they take off and they spread and they produce those lovely bright flowers, purples, pinks and yellows. So that's all from the lean-to today at Burncoose. Hopefully we'll catch you again soon.